Hey everyone, this is Librarian Maggie here with your monthly craft. If you registered for our pickup craft, this is everything that will be in your kit. You'll have a wreath. Yours will look a little nicer than mine. This is just what I had at home. And you'll get a little bag of accessories here. You'll have burlap, ribbon, some wheat pieces, leaves, a pumpkin or a gourd, and some acorns and berries. And just plug in your hot glue gun, make sure that's ready to go when you get started. I'm actually gonna start with my leaves here, and you can just start by poking them right into your wreath. That's what I love about these. There's a lot of little nooks that you can just poke things right into without even gluing them. And I'm going to put all of my decorations at the bottom. Decide if you want them to go all the way around, on the bottom, however you want to decorate it. I'm just going to do everything kind of right here and then put my burlap hanger at the top. You can use all of these decorations in your kit, some of them. If you want to add to it, that's fine too. I'm just working with here what you're going to have in your kit. Fluff your leaves out a little bit if you want. Make sure they're facing the right direction for you. I'm just going to grab a little bit of glue now. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue on my leaves here. Make sure it stays down. And I'm going to hide this in the back, so I'm going to put some glue on here. So I'm kind of making a little nest here because I want to put my little pumpkin right here. Let's put some glue on the bottom here. And I'm going to stick it right there. Just hold it down for a little bit. And like I said earlier, you might have a pumpkin in your kit, you might have a gourd. There's a few different ones. And now I've got some acorns here. I think I'm going to put them right in the front here. Put one there, and one right here. And I think I'm going to leave the third one off. I think two is good. And now you've got your little wheat pieces here. And I'm just going to stick them down the sides here. These you should just be able to poke in. You shouldn't even have to glue these. And I'm just going to leave my other acorn off. And my berries, and kind of like how that came out. So I'm going to stop there, and I'm going to use my burlap ribbon now to make a hanger. And you just want to loop it underneath your wreath here, and all you're going to do is glue the ends to each other. So just be careful when you're using the hot glue for this, because you will feel it right through the burlap. And make sure you put enough on to secure it. And you're just going to stick it together like so. And we'll just hide our seam there. And there you have it. So now if you're satisfied with your wreath this way, that's great. You can stop. Otherwise, you should have one more piece of burlap in your kit. And it is a little bit longer. And you can make a bow with this. You can make a wide bow, a narrower one, which I'm actually going to do. I'm just going to fold my burlap ribbon in half, long ways, and then I'm just going to make a bow. You'll just want to fluff it a little and play with it until you have it looking exactly how you like it. And you can either put it at the top of your wreath, you can put it at the bottom, wherever you think looks nice. And then you are all done. So I hope you have all enjoyed this fun fall craft, and this decorates your home for the rest of the season. And I will see you all in our next video.